How to find block pop-ups settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find block pop-up settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and here just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings, and here you will find browsing privacy dashboard. Click on it and scroll down until you find block pop-ups, and as you see here you can manage block pop-up settings. You can turn it off or on or anything you want, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.